get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up.
Look at her go. Fine specimen. Wait. Today we're gonna replace the alternator pulley due to the fact of I changed it once before because I figured the pulley was bad, which it was. It was pretty wallered out, but I put the wrong size on. I put like a 2.5 on when it needs a 3-inch. So basically my tachometer, as you can see, runs off of the back of the alternator. It's showing me going a lot more RPMs than I'm actually doing. Alright, found a good spot to put you guys, so I don't block you. Oh, God, the whole community of cats wants to come say hi. So now, what we need to do is take the power lead off the alternator. Let's go straight to the batteries. Technically, you're supposed to have the batteries disconnected. You know, sometimes I like to live on the wild side. Hence, Wild Workshop. There's that. Take off the lead over there. Some here takes tiny little fingers. And I can't get it. So, we're just going to have to go with it. Next, take this to 1/2 inch. Alright, let's go get this something to make this job a little easier. Hand tools are cool and all, but when you can use a little bit of power, why not? One, I think this next one's 9/16. So here, I need one to hold the front. There we go. Awesome sauce. Just fitting here. Oh, like a glove. Nice. I think it was almost made for it. Oh, come on, you. Alright. We're almost back in business. Tab on this old girl broke off quite a while ago. So, I think I just might replace it. Alright, it's the alternator. See the size difference? I don't know if it's that easy to see, but it's pretty good size difference. Yeah, so that should make a difference. There you go. Alright. Wanting to come. There we go. Get it. Oh, what a letdown. Don't fit. Well, apparently I didn't read. Let's see what the hell it is. Come on, persuasion. All right, that can stay on there. This one here can come out. Just a smidgen too small. Just a smidgen. I wonder what size this is. We're gonna go find out. I found a reamer bit big enough so that way now we can ream this out. Hopefully get her to work. Come on. Just not being very cooperative today. Marring it up too. It's kind of cool to begin with, but I don't think this will be the answer either. I could be wrong though. Who knows? There. Check it one more time. Alright. Alright. Let's go see if we can check it out. See if it'll work. Sometimes you don't have the right. You order something, you think it's right, but it turns out to be not right, so you just have to make it right. Quite a tongue twister there. Alright, let's see. Let's go like this. There we go. Now, so close. So close. Yeah, I don't know if I have another reamer bit. Might have to wait on this one. So I don't want to mill it out with a. It's just right there, dude. It's right there. Almost. Well, apparently that job's gonna have to wait. So let's check all this stuff. Belt's looking alright. Looks like no real big movement in the water pump. That should make the air, hopefully. Yeah, everything else looks pretty stylish. I started painting the rims. I should finish that. See as how this pulley does not want to cooperate. So, alright. Got a bit out here to file a little bit of. She is super close. Doing my darndest to keep it keeping the hole as circular as possible, because you don't want to. Almost. We are getting there. Apparently it's bigger than 5/8. Who would have thought? Might be a little bit of a process. Bet you can guess. You're probably right. Not quite there. Oh, so close. Oh, where are you? Right there and there. Oh, but the two low spots on the sides. Do-do-do. Oh. Almost. Got past threads. Progress. I love seeing progress. We're gonna go try it. This is so exciting. I don't want to pay somebody else for something that I can do myself. So, here I am. Where did my socket go? Well, hopefully they'll get it. Well, looks like she's a... Might be good. Oh, look at there. Alright, now we're just gonna... Sorry about the camera. It's a new camera. I'm not used to running one of these things. You know. Wife's off doing chores and stuff around the out back. I'm Sitting out here trying to run a new to us camera. So far, it's, I don't know. You have to let me know if it's worth a darn or not. Apparently, you guys don't want to sit right. How is that? Perfect. Alright. New pulley. On there, which is awesome. Now, slide her back up into here. We'll see if the pulleys match up. If they line up. If they don't, we're gonna have to do something else. I think we got lucky. They do line up. So. Well, I'm gonna have to finish this on a different day because we got some other obligations that are taking priority. So, you know, if you like this type of stuff, like and subscribe if you'd like. Well, I guess we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
If I want it, gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm